got this Discord.
She just was like, who cares?
It's not that I don't care. I just don't know what, who XQC is. Is he important?
XQC is, Mom. We've talked about him before. I'll tell you.
He's just a small streamer. He's really no one important.
Yeah. Well, it sounds like that channel you buy stuff on TV.
Oh,
yeah.
It does, doesn't it?
Yeah. I don't know how to do the points thing.
Hi, Ludwig.
Hi.
As a female viewer who watches you every day, I just wanted to say thank you for being an inspiration to all of us. My friends and I love how you ha, just kidding. We all know it's a sausage fest in here. What's up, virgins?
Okay. Come on. Come on, look, we got.
Oh my God, Steve, what'd you do?
All right. Who are we voting first?
Why is everybody outside of storage? Steve!
Oh my God. There's just a party waiting at the door, bro. Say it, Steve.
Oh, gosh.
Oh, Steve. No, that wasn't Steve.
I mean,
Wait,
Steve
what?
was venting in there.
What? Wait,
guys,
Steve.
thank you, guys.
Thank you, guys.
Wait,
Steve is
they're
the
both in
killer.
there.
Wait, did they vote for the wrong
Oh my God. Oh.
Wait, was it both?
Towards. Yeah, okay. Yeah,
Were
no,
you not
Ray,
running
we
with
talked about
5
this.
and Skadge earlier?
Ray,
How long ago?
thank you for the
Like
100 gifted
a year
subs.
ago,
But Ray, we talked. Wait, what?
Me?
Yeah, you.
I passed you so long ago. Whenever I left lights.
Stop!
Are
Stop!
you two working together?
What are you
Okay, so
doing?
Wait. I'm actually confused. Are you talking about this round of lights?
I'm just gonna donate $1,000 to your fucking stream, idiot!
I never even got to it.
Okay,
What do you
It's
do?
like,
Stop!
if you
I'm gonna
check-
Stop!
Who?
Here's my
just had
confusion. I passed you when we passed above the rock. Like,
Stop!
Under my
Okay,
blade.
I'm just.
That was the time frame of me going to.
Fuck you, Ray.
Electrical,
that's
fix the
real
lights with them
nice.
bugs, walking all
Ray,
the way back
fuck you.
out near the bottom of near the bottom of office.
Where's the two things? Where's the body Botes?
The body's
you,
on
Ray.
admin.
Okay, and 5 who do you think it is?
I think if Botez is claiming that she checked vitals,
Kristen
and
the
then
dono.
went to
Alright,
admin
donate.
table, that
The
doesn't
things
make
are the
any
bits.
sense for like where we were.
Ray, thank you for the 200
So I
gifted
think
subs.
It's kind of sus too.
Wait.
That's why I was following
because
Ray. every time
Shouts out to 5UP for growing his Among Us following and becoming like a massive content creator as a consequence of that. But if he also has his now very own lineup of fucking weirdo people who come in here like, lol, 5UP was baiting you, you will get promptly banned from this channel. Oh how the turntables. I mean, seriously, is that what we're doing now? Now he has his own fucking cancerous Andy simps who are going into other people's chats to be like, lol, he was baiting you, lol. Really? Is that what we're doing? What happened? Did you guys just fucking leave XQC's community because like you got banished from there and now you're doing the same shit for 5UP?
Okay, there's this really cool trick we're gonna do here. Okay, so Mama, I want you to listen to me. Okay, we're all gonna do this. Okay.
Okay.
So this is something I learned when I went up to the Tibetan mountains, where Batman actually trained. I don't know if you guys are familiar with Batman.
Yeah, the blue flower.
And Bane, yeah, exactly. So this is
the League of Shadows.
Yeah,
right?
this is all self-control. Okay. Vigor, vote yourself. Jelly, vote yourself. Seer, vote yourself. Mama, vote yourself. I'm gonna vote myself. We're gonna see who we can trust based off of this, and from that we're gonna deduce who the serial killer is. 3, 2, 1. Vote yourself now.
What?
I lied. That was great. That was great.
Rain! You shit! You're sick! Rain, you are shameless! You are shameless!
Awesome.
Toast nose.
Ray, you can't do that.
Oh.
Right? What? Wait,
You can't do that.
Do they know?
how on earth did you see me?
You can't do
Oh.
that.
You are not even in my vision.
So you're admitting
What?
to it.
I'm not admitting it to it, but I think I'm being framed. Actually, I am admitting it. Okay. He caught me right now. Listen, he was not in my vision.
Oh yeah, I actually didn't see it.
What?
What?
Oh my. Okay, this is abuse. I think we should go close here. I'm being framed.
He got her. He got her with the ball. He got her. He's too good. He's too good.
How did you do that to us?
Holy fuck, my heart is racing from that.
He's too good. He's just too good. I can't believe he got Ray to confess and he didn't even. He's too good.
Buddy. What was that? Like, what the heck? Oh my god, that scared me. Holy shit.
Wait a minute, was it a double?
What happened?
was that?
Who
I
saw
don't
the
know.
screen?
Was that Tina?
Yeah, probably Tina.
Wait, I left Tina with
Why
do we
do that? Oh my god.
I did do upload. I did do upload.
Wait, if there's
Yeah,
dead.
Tina was there too.
That was on. That was on. No, I mean it might have been a double kill.
Me,
but I-
Plushies, and Tina.
Screamed and it just got recorded.
She
Plushies
just
and
screamed. No,
Tina.
but I found Toast body, so I don't know where Tina died.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, Toast was dead in lower engine.
5 Up, I'm so sorry.
No,
5 Up, I'm so sorry.
Okay, Ray, you can't do that.
Ray?
What? Wait,
You can't do that.
how on earth did you see me?
You can't do that.
You
Wow.
were not even in my vision.
So you're admitting to it.
I'm not admitting it to it, but I think I'm being framed. Actually, I am admitting it. Okay. He caught me right now. Listen, he was not in my vision.
Oh yeah, I actually didn't see it.
What? Oh my. Okay, this is abuse. Close here. I'm being framed.
Oh my god, that worked! Wait, Thomas!
There's so many
Oh
strategies.
my
against
god,
that.
Thomas, you're a genius! You're a goddamn genius!
How?
How did you
I knew Toast was good. Holy fuck, my heart is racing from that. That was so...
Love is welcome, everyone.
Oh, you must like
Guys, that's honestly that's enough. Honestly, that's enough. You don't have to gift anymore. I'm just so happy that you're all here.
300.
Thank you so much. Look at all the people saying hello in the chat. Look at them all. Look at them all go. I've never seen that before. Look at it. I want to. Guys, is it cringe if I send the VOD to my mum? I've never seen that before. Holy moly. Dessel, did you just gift 50? Dessel, thank you so much.
Left, right, BA start.
Holy fuck. You got.
Oh,
Ludwig's watching?
But he was lurking.
Fuck you, Ludwig.
Yeah, you know, I'm gonna ask you guys a question.
I'm just kidding.
Yeah.
I'm not kidding.
Book.
Oh, Ludwig's watching?
But he was lurking.
Fuck you, Ludwig.
Yeah, you know, I'm gonna ask you guys a question.
I'm just kidding.
Yeah.
I'm not kidding.
Book.